asked in JEE Main 2019 from differentiation. Okay. See, f of x is given like x cube plus x square into f dash of 1 plus x into f double dash of 2 plus f triple dash of 3. See, we know that f dash of 1 in the sense derivative of f at x is equals to 1, f double dash of 2, second derivative of f at x is equals to 2, f triple dash, third derivative of f at x is equals to 3. Okay, that means the problem involves with the first derivative of f, second derivative of f, as well third derivative of f. So we need to differentiate for 3 times. And one more thing, here f dash of 1, f double dash of 2, f triple dash of 3, all are constants, right? So for convenience, you just mark these constants as some a, b, c, like that. Okay, now what happens? Now the problem f of x is this, x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is f of x. Now differentiate it. F dash of x is equals to, so for x cube the derivative is 3x square, for ax square it is 2ax plus b. Is it clear? This is f dash of x. Differentiate it one more time. So f double dash of x is simply, for 3x square it is 6x, for 2ax 2a, and for constant it is 0. Now third time the derivative of triple dash of x. For 6x the derivative is 6, and for 2a since it is a constant its derivative is 0. So finally this is f of x, f dash, f double dash, f triple dash. And now you just look here. See, c is equals to f triple dash of 3, right? Okay. C is equals to f triple dash of 3. Look here, f triple dash of x is 6 for all x. So f triple dash of 3 is nothing but 6. So we have what? C is equals to 6. And coming to here, second one, f double dash of 2 is given b, right? So b is equals to f double dash of 2. Here it is f double dash of 2, double dash of x, and replace x with 2, it becomes like 12 plus 2a. So 6 is equals to, see, b is equals to 12 plus 2a is one relation. And one more thing is here, f dash of 1 is a. So a is equals to f dash of 1. Since we have f dash of x here, replace x with 1 there. So we will get 3 plus 2a plus b. Okay, 3 plus 2a plus b. Now you just try to find the values of a and b. Okay, how to find from these two? You just try to find the values of a, b, so that we have f of x at the end. From there f of 2, it is easy to find. Okay, so what is a, b? Just have a look. From the first relation, b minus 2a is equals to 12. And from the second relation, a minus 2a minus a and then minus b. Okay, minus b minus a is equals to 3. Simply if you add, b gets cancelled. Minus 3a is equals to 15 and a is equals to minus 5. After having a is equals to minus 5, replace here. So this is plus 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. So b is equals to 2. So we have a, b, c. So what is f of x therefore? Therefore f of x is equals to x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 6. Since it is f of x, our task is to find f of 2. So 2 cube is 8 minus 5 into 4 is 20 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 6. So 10, 18 minus 20 minus 2, and that's the answer. Okay. Have a look. Copy this.